And we're back to learning Illustrator in the year day 123. Let me show the line graph tool. Basics work just like the other tools, so the stack bar graph tool or the column graph tool. You left click on the canvas, add your size for the entire element, then you get these data cells. But if you type pairs in, like we usually do here, social media, you can see it's now a little bit different. That's because every data set needs to have at least two values. Obviously, a line needs to have a start and an endpoint, or it's just a dot. But once we've got it, you can see that here. And to show it a little bit better, I actually start with only one data set. Let me make that YouTube, 25, 12, then maybe 50. So with every value that I add, I simply add a new point for the line, and then the x-axis will be expanded. You can also transpose it here, but in this case, I wouldn't use that, especially not when you only have one value. You can see that here it gives you just more dots. Let me add a second data set, maybe Instagram. By default, you're going to get these grayish shades again for the colors. I've shown you in the last couple of videos, you can go to Object, Ungroup, confirm the warning message, then Object, Ungroup All, and now you can recolor it. But every segment will now be its own element. So hold Shift and click on these lines. For 4 points, we're going to get 3 lines. And then you have to change the stroke color. So not the fill color anymore. The stroke needs to be changed. Same for the legend here. And if you zoom in close enough, you can see there are also these specific points, and they will usually be given a rectangle. And here you can change the fill again. Let me quickly do that. So I always hold Shift, left click on them, and then I can select multiple elements at once. Second line, I make it a bit orange. It's pretty hard here to hit Instagram in the legend correctly. Let me do that individually. Now it works. And once again, we have the rectangles where the points are, and here you can change the fill. And that's about it for the line graph tool. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.